Well, the president announcing his plan on student loan forgiveness today. $10,000 will be forgiven for students who earn less than $125,000 a year or families who make less than $250,000. Now, there's also $20,000 in loan forgiveness for Pell Grant recipients. And financial advisor Steve Lewitt is joining us now for more on this, a financial firm in Buffalo Grove. Steve, this is a big topic today. Thanks for being with us here. First off, tell us who qualifies and how this program is actually going to work.
Well, who qualifies is if you earn less than $125,000 and you have a federal loan, that loan is going to be forgiven up to $10,000, and that's if you're single. If you're a married couple, then it's $250,000. We'll get you that same $10,000. And a Pell Grant, which were grants given to the most financially challenged people in America, they will get $20,000, double what the other grant, the debt relief will be.
Okay, how do you go about taking advantage of this? In other words, what is the application process going to look like?
Well, we don't know. So what I would suggest is that folks can go to the student.gov /debt relief website to check in to see if they will qualify. And there they'll be able to put in who they are getting their loan from. Remember, this is just for federal loans. So if you have a private loan from a private company, it's not going to qualify.
And this is making good. President Biden is on one of his campaign promises. It has been debated a lot leading up to this moment here. What is the reaction that you've been hearing from people who want to know how to take advantage of this, and what's the implication?
Well, the reaction is depends on really who you talk to. There are so many different sides, very controversial. Some folks are saying, wow, I'm getting some relief. I need the money. I've been through hard times. I didn't even finish college, and this relief is really going to help me. There are about 20 million people who will have their loan balances eradicated by getting these funds, and they can get on with their lives. On the other hand, you have folks that say, no, this is not enough. We should be wiping out more student debt. And then on the other side, you have folks saying this is bad for America. It's bad for the finances. It is unfair for people that have already paid their debt. It's going to increase the national debt. It's unfair to folks that went into the military. So these are very strong positions, and candidly, everyone has a fairly good argument. I don't know where the right or wrong is in this, so it's very controversial.
Well, we know that the debate's going to go on in this, likely be challenges, maybe lawsuits here. Let me ask you, what if you, after the forgiveness has been made, what if you still have a balance? What if you earn more than the ceiling allows?
Surely. So we are in a 2-year moratorium on student loan payments that's supposed to end this month. That will now be extended to the end of the year. So a lot of folks won't see much of a change because they haven't been paying these rates. So starting in January of 2023, now you have to pay. But what the bill does is it lowers the amount of top payment in a month from 10% to 5% to give some relief. But during this period, this is the time where you can make a budget and pay down some debts or credit cards and take advantage of this moratorium because it's going to end in January.
Steve Lewitt with SGL Financial. Thanks for the perspective tonight.
All right, always a pleasure being here.
All right, take care.